Hi everyone, it's Shawn Huston, and I'm here to tell you 4 things to remember about getting your waterfront home ready for winter. So first off, your dock is still in the lake and it's time to get it out. The ice will be coming soon, unfortunately, and we want to make sure that this large investment of ours is secure and put away for the winter. You can hire a service like I do. A crew comes in, takes my dock out, stores it up by my garage and out of the weather for me. You can also take it out yourself. Generally, the new systems are designed so that they come out quite easily. They're kind of large products, so you want to make sure that you've got a few people to help you with them because they can be heavy. So let's go look at item number 2. The second item to remember as you're getting ready for winter is to winterize your sprinkler system. I hire a company that comes out, puts an air compressor system on the entire sprinkler system, blows out all the heads, pulls the line from the lake, and winterizes the pump. If you're going to do it yourself, make sure that you get all the water out of the system. That's the value of having that air compressor, and it efficiently gets all the water out so that you don't lose a head or a control valve. And also, as you're doing this, remember your hoses need to be disconnected from the house, even if they're frost-free hoses, because if you have a cold snap in this fall period and the water in that line freezes, you'll have a problem inside. So item number 3 for you to remember is your lawn itself. Getting it prepared for winter is crucial to have a good next year. So I definitely make sure that I bring in a service for this. You can do it yourself, but putting on fertilizer is important, especially on waterfront homes, because we don't want to be contaminating the lake, but yet we don't want to leave our lawns without that good winter protection of a boost of food and energy for the cold season. So make sure that you get winterization done to the lawn itself so that you have a beautiful green lawn next year. The 4th item to remember as you get your waterfront home ready for the winter is to put the boats away. Obviously, we've taken them out of the lake, but it's time to get them winterized. Take them to your local marina. Take them to, for instance, here in Lewiston, we have Twin Lakes Marina and we have Lewiston Sun and Snow. Both of those companies can do winterization services that will make sure that any water in the system is removed. They'll put antifreeze in those areas that store water, and they'll prepare the engine for storage. So putting stable in the gas, all the things that the professionals will do to make sure that next summer is going to be just as fun as this summer and the boat is ready to go. So that was 4 things to remember about putting your waterfront home ready for winter, and I hope that it's been informative to you. If there has been something else that I haven't covered or that you have questions about, just make sure to let us know and I'll do a video to answer those questions for you. Have a great day, everyone, and enjoy fall.